Hey guys, we're really excited to be rolling out our meeting assistant Fireflies for Microsoft Teams. So our AI assistant Fred is going to be able to join your Microsoft Teams meetings, and he's going to be able to capture them, transcribe them, help you search through those meetings, generate notes, and integrate with applications you already work with today. So post-meeting, you'll get a meeting transcript. It's going to be synced up to the audio. You can search through the transcript. You can search through your past conversations. You can jump around. You can also use our AI filters to pull up action items and next steps, questions, deadlines, and all this relevant information. The best part is you can skim essentially a 1-hour meeting within 5 minutes. You can click around different parts, and when you click on the transcript and skim through it, you can also listen to the audio, which makes it super cool and seamless. With the rise of remote work and all the things happening with COVID-19 right now, we know how important online meetings are, especially if you're having internal team meetings, you're doing job interviews, you're closing deals over sales calls, or even having classroom lectures. And we know that Teams has been heavily requested by our users as a platform to support, and so we're rolling that out now, and we hope you can leverage that. The way it works is Fireflies is going to connect to your calendar, whether that's Outlook or Google Calendar. It's going to be able to look at the calendar invites and then join your Teams calls. And afterwards, as the call is happening, capture it, transcribe it, process it, and turn talk into action. The way it works, all you have to do is send a calendar invite to fred@fireflies.ai, Fred being our AI assistant. On the calendar invite, as long as there is a URL to a Teams meeting, Fireflies will be able to join that call at the start of the meeting. And you can also configure it to have it automatically join all your calendar events that have a Teams meeting, or you can select specific meetings that you want to invite Fireflies to, whichever is easier and more comfortable for you. And if you have a live Teams meeting that's not scheduled on your calendar, you can go to app.fireflies.ai and put in the URL, schedule the duration, and hit join, and Fireflies will join that live meeting that's happening as well. We also have another quick little tool we've built, which is an Outlook add-in. So if you don't want to constantly be typing fred@fireflies.ai as a participant, the add-in will let you automatically click a button, and then it'll add Fred to the meeting with a click of a button instead of you having to type it out each time. Just a quick little hack to make your workflow easier. When Fireflies does join the meeting, you'll see Fireflies AI Note Taker as a participant on the meeting. And that will be a way for you to know that it's in the meeting. For whatever reason, if your participants don't want Fireflies on the meeting, if you're the host, you can kick it out of the meeting and it will not continue to take notes for the remainder of the meeting. One thing to know for Microsoft Teams users is in their settings or their org settings, they need to allow guest access. Since Fireflies is not part of your team, it's going to have to join the meeting as a guest. So that's something you need to set super quick. You go to your guest access settings, go under meetings, and say allow guests to join the meetings. That's pretty much it. Again, we're super excited. It's a chaotic time and meetings are super chaotic. We hope we can help you make that less chaotic, make it more seamless, and have Fred take notes for you guys. Thanks.